Chica Bellas, welcome to Advise My Style. Before we dive into the video, let me tell you about our summer schedule, posting schedule. We'll be posting just once per week, each Thursday at 7 p.m. Central European time. Now let me show you my favorite makeup products of 2018. First is this Dior's eyeshadow palette. It comes in a lovely eyeshadow sock. The package doesn't scratch. I love this, even though it's cheap. Love it. The colors I love the most are these. Will it focus? No. 777 Exalt. This is how they look. And it's not just about the colors. It's about the texture. It's hard. So, this is a palette that's been used quite a lot, and the colors are still as new. But what I love the most is when you're buying eyeshadow palettes, you buy a whole palette and then you have one bright color in a whole pack, and it's the bright colors that you use the most. This one has 3, and when you do makeup you usually use a lot of light colors, because you put it under the brow, over the lid. Dark colors, you don't use that much, except if you wear night out makeup throughout the day, which most of the YouTubers nowadays do. I think the most important makeup product when doing makeup is foundation, and then it's eyeshadows. I believe that it's good to invest in a good set. There are so many makeup palettes lying in my drawer that I never use because the color combinations are weird, and from a whole palette I use just 1 or 2. One advice when buying high-end eyeshadows is lots of times brands do trendy products, something that is seasonal, and the quality of those is mainly really bad. I worked for many high-end brands, and most of the time when they launched the summer collection, the eyeshadow palette just sucked, especially the one for Valentine's Day. Oh my god, those were terrible. So when buying high-end eyeshadows, stick to the classics, stick to what the brand is known for. And obviously not all high-end eyeshadows are good, but these Dior. Second makeup product I love for the summer. Boom! Miss Lean. Miss Lean? Hello, focus? Yes? Miss Lean's bronzers, because they are hard in texture. They don't leave so much color on your face. So when you put a brush in, you won't look muddy. They will last a long time and they blend well. If there's one product that the brand does well, it doesn't mean that a whole brand is good. If I can remember properly, these cost €5. Bargain, I'm telling you, especially in the summer when you're caking up that bronzer like there's no tomorrow, because you need to stay away from the sun, put a lot of SPF and then paint your face. Moving on to the third makeup product I love in 2018 is this mascara by L'Oreal. Full/Superstar. They actually do 2 types of it. I remember my first girlfriend had something similar. That was, I think, 18 years ago? Maybe 20. It's a 2-sided mascara, so you have step 1 that makes the eyelashes thick, and it has the step 2 that lengthens them and gives them thickness, makes them thick. Maybe you're wondering, but you're not the best judge for the mascara because you don't wear it. You're wrong. I wear mascara each night. No, just joking. I actually put it on a couple of times. I test makeup products on myself when no one sees me, just behind the locked doors. I have my alter ego. But also I have so many friends that are wearing all this mascara. So, proved quality. And the last thing on my list is Zao's pressed powder. I'm searching for makeup brands that don't test on animals because I feel bad for the bunny. It's terrible what some brands do to animals, and I know L'Oreal was trying so hard to be approved as a cruelty-free brand, but they just couldn't make it because they have so many suppliers of products that need to be certified and so on. At least they're trying. And finding a natural mascara, so vegan mascara, is pretty hard. Finding a good vegan mascara is really hard. So help me out. Write me in the comments below which cruelty-free makeup brands you use, and especially which cruelty-free makeup products you like, because I will be changing my makeup kit. I want my makeup kit to be bunny friendly. So Zao it is. I found about this makeup brand when I had an interview on our local television, and everyone was so happy since their makeup artists switched to this brand. So a whole TV station uses just Zao products, and the head producer said that he sees how the skin of the actors got way better. So I followed the advice of the makeup artist and bought this Recharge Poudre Compact because it's a French brand. 10 euros refill that you can put in a bamboo case. I couldn't get the case because they ran out of them, but I'll be buying way more of this because it's an awesome brand. Why not show you now? The only thing that bothers me is that it's that soft, so if you drop it, it just breaks completely. And also you can break it with a brush, so you need to be slightly more gentle with it. But you'll see what I mean, because it's easy to apply. You just go all over your face. This is what I love, because all you need to do when you wake up in the morning is to buff the foundation in, then tap it under your eyes because it went in the creases, because when you were applying it you had your face like you know, that makes creases. So when you buff it in, up, tap it, then pow. No, just joking. Take it off the brows. When it melts with your natural oils, this foundation turns into magic and your skin will look good. It will breathe. This is it. Video's coming to an end. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. No, just kidding, just kidding. To conclude, we'll be posting just once per week throughout the summer period, each Thursday. Tell me what you think about vegan makeup, especially what vegan makeup products, so cruelty-free makeup products you are using, which brands you love, and what products. And third thing, tell me what you think about this type of videos. Would you like to see more of my face telling you about makeup products, how to use them, which makeup products I like, why I like them, and la. Give me suggestions underneath in the comments below what kind of makeup tutorials you want to see. Now this is really it. Ciao, and I'll see you soon. Bye.